Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check your GPU, CPU, RAM, and available USB or display port connections so you avoid performance bottlenecks. Next, unpack headset, controllers, base stations, and cables, lay them out logically. It speeds setup. Once done, position sensors or base stations roughly 2 meters apart and at hip-to-ceiling height so tracking covers the entire zone. Make sure to charge controllers. Low batteries degrade tracking and interrupt calibration. This saves time and prevents early troubleshooting. You now move into software and calibration. Install the headset drivers and platform app, then update firmware. Updates fix latency and stability. Start the room scale or seated setup, define the floor level, draw the guardian boundary, and set interpupillary distance so visuals are comfortable and immersive. Once done, adjust performance options like refresh rate and supersampling. Higher settings improve clarity but cost FPS. Make sure to bind controller buttons and test tracking in a simple demo to verify motion fidelity and input mapping. You finish by thoroughly testing. Run the headset tutorial, walk the bounds, and perform controller and hand tracking tests so you learn expected responses. Once done, try a demanding demo to confirm frame rate and tracking under load. If drift or stutter appears, reboot the headset and PC, rerun tracking calibration, and verify firmware is current. These steps resolve most issues. Make sure cables are secure and USB power settings allow full throughput. Move reflective or glossy objects that can confuse sensors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.